Okay, now we are heading to the Huidu technology. Yeah, you can see here. Okay, so hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, so could you just introduce yourself?
Hello everyone. My name is Jim.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm the CEO of Huidu Technology Company.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Hello,
Welcome to our
Jim.
booth. Okay.
Thank you, thank you. So could you just introduce your company to us?
Yeah, we focus on LED display control system. Now we founded on 2009.
Okay.
Now we have 11 history of our
Wow.
company.
Okay.
Yeah. Today we will show 7 solutions
Okay.
for you. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe.
Let's go
Okay.
and see.
Okay, let's wait. Now the first one is the synchronous control system for spacing LED solution.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we have launched the series of 4K 2-in-1 video processor.
Yeah.
Yeah. For the it will can meet a lot of various spacing LED projects.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay. Oh, pretty cool.
yeah, this is our video processor.
Ah.
These have 12, 16 from 16
Yeah.
Ethernet outputs to 6
Yeah.
Ethernet outputs.
Oh.
Yeah, so
Okay.
it can meet various spacing LED display projects.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, this way.
Okay.
The second solution is our synchronous and asynchronous dual mode LED player.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
A player box. This is our next second generation of our player box.
Ah, second generation. So you
Yeah.
update.
Yeah. We update the project usually every year.
Yeah.
Yeah, every year
Wow.
one generation.
This is like a fast speed. I
Yeah,
think.
yeah. And so it supports both the synchronous mode and asynchronous mode.
Yeah.
So it can play advertisement
Yeah.
programs and also can support to play the live mode video.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah,
There's so
yeah.
many kinds of videos and advertising you could show.
Yeah. Burst mode.
So does it in outdoor or indoor?
Burst can support
Oh,
both.
oh, that's
Yeah,
great.
yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
Okay.
So we design and manufacture these controllers. First, we can support LED display
Yeah.
and also LCD display,
Yeah.
and also the transparent LED display.
Oh, just
Yeah, later we will show you.
Okay.
And the third one, let's wait, please.
Okay.
The third one is the LED per display solution.
Wow.
Yeah. Now the 5G is very popular
Yeah,
all
yeah,
over the
yeah,
world.
5G,
Yeah. We also contribute the construction for the smart city
Oh,
of
wow.
5G. Yeah.
Okay.
And we can also support customers to do the second development.
Yeah.
With, for example, in the cloud server, in the terminal devices, with the terminal devices,
Yeah.
and also with environment sensors.
Yeah.
Yeah, like for example, this. Okay, the sensors for the speed, for the wind
Yeah.
speed,
Oh,
wind
speed.
direction,
Oh,
and
okay.
also
You could just sense the wind.
yeah, yes,
Wow.
yeah, the size and also the speed, and also the PM 2.5, PM 10.
2.5,
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa, pretty cool.
Yeah.
So what's the difference between these three? Are they the same?
They are the same.
Oh, okay.
Usually on the road, customers want to if play the pictures the same.
Yeah.
So
okay.
so the advertisement will be more.
Attractive.
Yeah.
I think the color of it is pretty vivid, and I could see every detail on this, like this screen. Okay.
Yeah.
pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the next one is our Wi-Fi wireless solution for the binary billboard.
Ah.
Yeah.
There's
First
so
single.
many products, I think.
Yeah. We are very professional, and we have 11 years
Whoa,
history.
yeah.
For the now the Wi-Fi controllers become more and more popular
Yeah.
instead of the UD solution. Yeah, and almost maybe 80% now use the Wi-Fi solutions. Yeah, both the single color binary billboards and also the full color one. Yeah, yeah. So all,
Did you just customize the shape or colors? Customize the shape of colors.
sorry.
Just like if your customer want a bigger size, you could do that.
Yeah.
Different shapes, different
Yeah,
colors.
all of our products support Wi-Fi solution. This is only for the binary billboards, and this one also supports Wi-Fi.
Whoa.
So customers use only mobile phone can to control the display and also edit or send the programs to the display.
Oh.
Very convenient and very easy to operate.
Yeah, I think it's very easy to learn how to use that.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Okay, and the next one is a transparent LED display.
Yeah. We have to go out.
Yeah, outside. Yeah, outside we can see the whole display. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Whoa. This is
The transparent display becomes more and more popular
Yeah.
since in the past 2 years. Yeah, especially in the maybe in the shopping mall.
Yeah. They don't want this LED hide their building or their own slide, so they would like to have a transparent
Yeah,
LED.
yeah. And so more and more popular. And we also developed the product. Maybe inside we use our controllers and we our app LED art app.
So on the phone or
On the phone.
Whoa.
Yeah, first on computer, but now use the phone more and more popular.
Wow.
So we develop the same app, as the other solutions. I just introduced the same.
Oh, we
Yeah.
can just operate only on phone.
Yeah,
Yeah.
on phone, on computer, or through the internet.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Wow, pretty
Yeah.
convenient and
Yeah.
user friendly, I
Yeah.
think.
We also have the internet cloud server.
Yeah.
Yeah. In China, mainland, and in Singapore, and also in India.
Whoa.
Yeah, we have 3 servers. Yeah.
You have the customer all over,
Over the world.
Whoa.
Yeah. More than 92 countries.
Ah,
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so what is that?
This is a poster display solution.
Okay.
Yeah. So use all these products B6. Maybe this way.
Okay.
Okay. B6. So it can be used as single. The poster machine can use the single, or can be supplied together.
Separate. Ah,
Yeah.
separate together.
Only use the HDMI loop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Maybe this way. Our staff, please
Okay.
help. Only the HDMI lab. When disconnection,
Yeah.
then the poster will play as a single.
Yeah.
Yeah. And when connect together,
Oh.
then it will make a bigger size screen.
Oh,
to-
whoa! This is so convenient. I
Yeah,
think.
yeah.
Whatever kind of size you want, you could just combine and separate it on yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty
And
cool.
also, for example, in the shopping mall, usually it can be used as single
Yeah.
to play advertisement,
Yeah.
for example, and maybe sometimes.
Some events.
Yeah.
In some events.
So
they have to combine together.
together, yeah, and also support the live video.
Yeah.
Live, for example, maybe PPT or
Yeah.
other video can show on the bigger size screen. Then,
Whoa,
Yeah.
that's great. I
Yeah,
think.
yeah, okay.
Ah.
Okay, and the last solution
Okay.
is our LCD solution.
Okay. Let's see.
Yeah, we have launched the M10, M20, and M21 products. Yeah, these products, and also can use our app, the same app,
Yeah.
and the same, and yeah, on the phone. And
I just see the camera.
yeah. Just you can see there's a camera on the top of the screen.
Yeah.
It can recognize the characteristic
Of
of the
your
audience.
audience, yeah, okay.
For example, age or gender.
Yeah.
Then it will automatically switch to the program that can match all their characteristic.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, for you, you play this program, but maybe for me, for younger men, maybe another program.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, can I just try?
Cannot. This one can support touch.
Yeah.
touch
Oh,
mode.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
So now it plays the program for men.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
it's just showing the advertisement about what kind of like products men like.
Yeah.
And for me, like the cosmetics
Yeah,
and
yeah.
some bags will show.
Yeah, very interesting.
Okay.
We think it will be
Well.
very popular in the next in the future.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's pretty cool. Oh,
Okay,
okay.
thank you.
So much for your introduction. So,
thank you.
do you still have some words to say for your potential cooperation partner or other audience?
Okay. Unfortunately, our foreign customers cannot come to the exhibition here. But we also communicate with them online,
Yeah.
and we think everything will be well and will be better.
Yeah.
We hope all our company and also all of our customers have a better and better, bigger and bigger business.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, I think after this difficult time, they would really like to visit your factories, visit your company face to face. Okay.
Yeah. Our company is very near here.
Okay.
Yeah, in Shenzhen. And also this exhibition is very helpful for us.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are grateful and satisfied with this platform.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
If you want to buy their products, you could just search their names of his company called Huidu, like Huidu, Huidu, in our ISLE International Exhibition WeChat official account. Okay, if you want to buy their products, you could search their names of the company Huidu in our ISLE International Exhibition WeChat account. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for your introduction. Thank you. Goodbye. See you next time. Okay.